Hey y'all, this is Jamila Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit of a get ready with me and also a talk about finding your purpose. What does that encompass? What is your mental state like? How to get in tune with your mental state, okay? Just stay tuned. Tap that notification bell, stay up to date with my posts that I have coming for you every week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
You know I love music, and every time I hear something hot, it makes me want to move. It makes me want to have fun. But it's something about this joint right here. This joint right here, it makes me want to let it go. Can't let this thing called love get away from you. Feel free right now, go do what you want to do. Can't let nobody take it away from you, from me, from we. No time for moping around. Are you kidding? Ain't no time for negative vibes, 'cause I'm winning. It's been a long week, I put in my hardest. Gonna live my life, feel so good to get it right. So I like what I see when I'm looking at me, when I'm walking past the mirror. Don't stress through the night at a time, and my life ain't worried about if you feel it. Got my head on straight, I got my vibe right, I ain't gonna let you kill it. See, I would change my life, life's just fine, 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 ooh, fine, 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 ooh, just fine, 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 ooh. See, I would change my life's just feels so good when you're doing all the things that you wanna do. Get the best out of life, treat yourself to something new. Keep your head up high in yourself, believe in you, believe. Having a really good time, I'm not complaining, and I'ma still wear a smile if it's raining. Gotta enjoy myself regardless. I appreciate life, I'm so glad that's mine. So I like what I see when I'm looking at me, when I'm walking past the mirror. Ain't worried about you and what you're gonna do, I'm a lady, so I must stay classy. Gotta keep it high, keep it together if I want to get better. See, I would change my life's just fine, 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 ooh, fine, 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 fine.
Today I wanted to do more of like a chit chat, get ready with me, get cute with me type of deal. I have not been in the mental space that I need to be, and I've been working on that. The big thing for me is just like, I feel like I have yet to find my purpose. Just to give you guys like a backstory, she's got her degree in corporate communications, she's graduated college, she's done everything that she wants to do. When I graduated, I was doing what people expected me to do, what my parents wanted me to do, what my family members thought would be the right thing to do, what everybody else wanted me to do, and what they saw from me. And I was like, okay, well, I can't let them down, I gotta make them proud, I have to get my degree, I have to go to college, I have to finish, because the shit was expensive. You've been here 5 years, so you have to finish. But hey, you know what, I'm gonna work in corporate America, get a job, make everything flow, make it all look right, make it all look good. But I never asked myself, okay, are you happy? Are you satisfied with this? The crazy part is that my dad had just called me while I was filming this to tell me to keep my head up, stay focused, and don't stay down. Don't let people get you down and then you stay down. Keep going. And both of my parents have been very instrumental in like pushing me to move forward. Here now just to tell you guys that you have to get your mental in line. I encourage you all to do the same. If you're feeling lost, if you're feeling like, okay, what am I supposed to be doing in my life at this time? If that's just living, then just live. If that's just working out, doing your same thing day to day, then fine. I go after 1000% what I want. And sometimes I do get knocked down and I just go back at it again. There was a time in my life though where I would just stay down, stay stuck, woe is me's and things like that. And I couldn't move forward. I couldn't see better for myself. I couldn't believe in myself. I just started this journey with my boyfriend. And he's been very instrumental in this process. He's amazing. But what he does is he has me email him a reflection, and it talks about my goals, long-term, mid-term, short-term, what that encompasses, things like habits, what mental habits am I training myself to do on a day-to-day? Am I meditating? Am I manifesting once or twice a day? Am I thinking about things from a positive aspect? Don't be afraid to go on a spiritual journey yourself. Don't be afraid to not look like you're doing what you're supposed to do in someone else's eyes. Do what you want to do. Do what you feel is right for you in this time in your life. But I encourage everyone to take some time and find out what exactly your purpose is. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, also, today's look is more of like a neutral reddish kind of eye. I don't know if you can kind of see. Like this look.